Hi friends, welcome to Tamil Symbol of Learning. Today we can learn Tamil vowels in Tamil language. We call it as உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். In this there are 12 vowels. Starting A, E, U, E, I, O, and finally Ak. Don't think it is difficult. I will teach you in Tamil through English. Like you can say this this E, I, and I, E, E, and this for U, and A, E, and for I, like this, I, and for O, and this for Ow. And finally for this letter is not important when comparing to other letters. We would not take this letter in speaking or writing, but simply it should be in Tamil language as a vowel. Maximum we don't use this letter in a word or in a sentence. That's all friends. If you memorize these words, you can boldly speak in Tamil. Thank you friends. Bye. See you.